Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Eleni Jarkas. The JSE gained 1.1% to close at 27,495 points. We spoke to Greg Katzenellenbogen from Sanlam in Private Investments looking at the Alcoa results.
Alcoa's results certainly set the tone. We'll see with Intel tonight, but I expect those results to be good as well. But in Alcoa, it's always important, if they come out with poor results, it generally sets the tone for the rest of the companies. But I think that I'm very bullish at the moment on the markets. I think today is a good trading. It's been a fantastic day,
The Nigerian market closed on a positive note, ending the day 1% in the green at 24,842 points. We spoke to Adeolu Omutola from ARM Investment Managers looking at the broader market.
But really, it's for the broader market, it's just a response to the price correction that we've seen over the last few weeks. What's happened is a lot of the focus is beginning to come back into the big large cap banks, basically, as well as the bigger non-financials. We're seeing the interest from investors focusing on those players. The banking sector in particular enjoying a good day today.
The NSE 20 lost 0.33%, closing the day at 4,310 points. We spoke to Peter Mwigiri from Sterling Investment Bank looking at the bond market.
Last like 2 quarters, starting from January, this market has been very, very competitive compared to the region. Well, our yields have actually drastically dropped from the levels of 11% to the levels of around 2% where we are right now. That is a significant drop, and for most of the traders, they would rather, for the most of the pension funds and other holding to maturity firms, they would go for sovereign bonds issued in other countries and all that. But for traders, they are very keen, and actually they are persuaded by the dropping yields. When the yields are dropping in the market, that is actually a signal that that market is thriving.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.